How to copy paste Excel formula without changing reference cell of this formula. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet. So let me quickly put some value and apply the one formula here. Okay, in this cell I'm going to apply the formula of sum formula. Just start with the equal sign, type that formula. I am using the sum formula. I have to select the all cell where which want to sum, and just close the bracket and just hit the enter. Now you can see, just select that formula cell, just hit the F2. Now you can see the all reference cell. This is my all reference cell of this formula. Okay, now if I want to apply this formula to another cell without changing that cell reference, you have to just select that formula cell. So this, that cell which has formula. Now click the F2 on your keyboard. Now here you need to select that formula. This formula will be visible to you. Just select that formula, right click on it and copy it. Now hit the escape button on your computer, keyboard. Now select the cell where you want to apply this, paste this formula, and now you have to hit the Control plus V. This formula has been applied here. Now just click F2 again. You can see the original cell reference of this formula as the same as original formula. Okay, original cell. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.